Spring Boot is a Java-based framework for building production-ready, standalone and microservices-based applications. It provides a convenient way to quickly create and run applications with minimal configuration and setup. Spring Boot uses the Spring framework, which is one of the most widely used Java frameworks, and adds additional features and tools to make it easier to build and deploy applications. Spring Boot is a popular framework for building Java-based applications. It has gained popularity due to its ease of use, convention over configuration approach, and ability to quickly create and deploy applications. It also provides several starter projects that simplify common development tasks and reduces the need for boilerplate code. Spring Boot consists of several components, including provides core functionalities such as dependency injection and inversion of control. Spring Data provides support for working with databases and data access technologies. Spring Web provides support for building web applications, including REST APIs and web pages. Spring Security provides security features for applications including authentication and authorization. Spring Test provides support for writing and running tests. Spring Boot Starter Projects provides a number of pre-configured projects for common use cases such as web application, databases, and security. Spring Boot CLI provides a command line interface for quickly creating and running Spring Boot applications. Prerequisite to learn Spring Boot: a good understanding of Java syntax, data types, and object-oriented programming concepts. Basic knowledge of Spring framework, including dependency injection and the model view controller pattern or MVC pattern. Understanding of representational state transfer, REST principles, and how to build RESTful web services. Basic knowledge of building and managing projects using build tools such as Maven or Gradle. Basic understanding of relational database and SQL. Basic understanding of web development technologies and how to build web pages. Basic knowledge of Git for version control and collaborations.